Victims are at the core of international criminal justice, and true justice must go beyond punishing perpetrators to restoring dignity. A victim-centered approach requires institutions that are safe, inclusive, and responsive, places where survivors can participate meaningfully, having their voices heard and see their rights protected. Equality of the law must be matched by equality in access to justice, ensuring that the victims are not sidelined by procedure or delay. My professional journey has always been victim-centered. At the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, I work directly with refugees and asylum seekers and displaced communities whose lives had been shattered by conflict. And at the African Union, I witnessed the devastating consequences of violence on fragile societies. My work on sexual and gender-based violence began then, while doing protection work for refugees, and I've continued this work through the legislation, such as the Sexual Offences Act, through case law, and through institution building in all the places that I have worked. For the International Criminal Court, the urgency of victim-centered justice is clear. Communities devastated by conflict often wait years for reparations, and prolonged trials erode faith in international justice. A credible ICC, therefore, must prioritize timely redress, strengthen the trust fund for victims, and ensure equitable support where the need is greatest.